Welcome to Math Movies with Miss Feuer-Beck and Miss Veluti. Today we will be writing expressions to represent situations, Part 2. Write an expression that means 4 times larger than the sum of 9 and 7. So the first thing I need to do is interpret what does this actually mean. Well, I know 4 times larger means that somehow I need to multiply by 4 in this equation. And I know that the sum of 9 and 7. Well, the word sum has to do with addition. It's the answer to an addition problem. So that means that I need to add 9 and 7 somewhere in my equation. So 4 times 9 plus 7. Now I need to think about order of operations here, because if I don't, then I might not be writing an expression that really matches this situation. If I leave this without any grouping symbols, any parentheses, then I would actually solve 4 times 9 first. And that would mean that I'm doing 4 times larger than 9. But if I look at the words, it says then the sum of 9 and 7. So that means that I need to put grouping symbols around 9 plus 7 so that I actually solve the addition before the multiplication. And if I did that, I would do 9 plus 7 and get 16, and my problem would be 4 times larger than 16, which is the sum of 9 and 7. So that would make more sense. And 4 times 16, 4 times 10 is 40, 4 times 6 is 24, add 40 and 24, and you get 64. So my answer would actually be, this would be my expression, and my solution would be 64. Let's try another one. Subtract 6 from 15 and then double it. Okay, so I'm seeing that I need to subtract 6 from 15. So that means I need to do 15 minus 6 because it's telling me to subtract 6 from the 15. And then it says to double it. Now, double has to do with multiplication. It means getting bigger times 2. So that means that I'm going to do 15 minus 6, and then I'm going to double it and multiply it times 2. Now remember, in PEMDAS, or the order of operations, I actually would solve multiplication before subtraction. And I think that would be a problem in this situation, because then I would be doing 15 minus 12. And that's not actually what it says up here. It says subtract 6 from 15 and then double it. So it doesn't want me to do the multiplication first. So I am going to go back and fix that. All I need to do is put in some parentheses around 15 minus 6 so that I would do the subtraction first. 15 minus 6 would be 9, and now I can double that, and I can get 9 times 2, which is 18. So my answer would be that it would be 15 minus 6 in parentheses times 2 would match subtract 6 from 15 and then double it. One more. Divide 48 by the product of 2 and 6. Okay, so I know that there's going to be 48 divided by something, and I need to figure out what the product of 2 and 6 means. Now this word product has to do with multiplication. So I need to multiply 2 times 6 in order to write this expression. So I'm going to start with 48 divided by 2 times 6. Now going back to the original problem, it doesn't say divide 48 by 2. So if I were to leave this right now, that's what I would do. I need to put in the grouping symbols parentheses around the 2 times 6 so that I'm actually doing divide 48 by the product of 2 and 6. I want to find this product first and then do the division. So now I would get 48 divided by 12, which would be 4. And that would make sense. So my expression would be 48 divided by parentheses 2 times 6. And that would match divide 48 by the product of 2 and 6. I hope that you've noticed that you just really need to interpret the vocabulary and take time to break down the language, and also remember the order of operations and think about how grouping symbols might make your expressions more accurate. Thanks so much for watching.